Hello boys and girls, today we are working on lesson 10 of chapter 1 in our Go Math book, and this is a fairly straightforward lesson. This is the way your parents were probably taught, and this is the way most people learn to subtract. It's actually called subtraction with regrouping. So what you are doing is you are separating your ones, tens, and hundreds, and you're just going to subtract all the way down. Pretty straightforward. You can do this easily, and you estimate, just like in the lessons before. You find your place, you look next door, you tell me, is it 5 or greater? You're going to find your estimate. I'm going to come over to here because this one's the one that's actually going to teach you what they want you to learn. So first I'm going to estimate, and I like front end estimating or rounding in the hundreds place. So I'm just going to round this in the hundreds place. I found my place. I look next door. That's 5 or greater. So I'm going to round to 500. Found my place. I look next door. I'm going to not go up. So it's going to go to 200. 500, take away 200 is 300. So I would say it's about 300. Now, I want everybody to show me 6 fingers. And I want you to take 7 away. Well, 5, 6, I can't do it. I hope you can't either, because you only have 6 fingers, so you can't take 7 away. That means you need to borrow, and you're going to borrow from next door. So your next door has 5 tens, and you can borrow one of those tens. So that makes it 4 tens, and you borrowed a 10. So the question is it going to be a 10, or is it going to be a 6, or is it going to be a 10 plus a 6? Well, if I borrowed a 10, I would make this a 16. Now I can subtract 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. Hopefully you can subtract fluently, but if you cannot, you can grab 7 and count up to 16. 7, 8, 9. You can draw a picture if you need to. There is nothing wrong with having to draw a picture. 4 minus 1 is 3. And remember, this is 4 tenths and 1 tenth. So it's 40 minus 10 equals 30. 400 minus 200, or 4 minus 2 equals 2 hundredths. So 239 is about 300. So I know I'm on the right track. This is what's called regrouping.